What's good, YouTube? Somebody boy back with another video, and today we got another POV. I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's a track or an SRT, but I was just driving and I saw it in my mirror, like always, you know. But we about to slow. Oh, it's a SRT. Is it an SRT? It is an SRT. That bitch is hard. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it sounds quiet as hell though. I don't hear nothing. But it was raining earlier. I don't know if the ground is still wet. My tires might be still wet, but we're gonna see. Oh no, we good. I'm gonna try to get a race with them, but I know that's not gonna happen for real. We're gonna see though. I would get an SRT Jeep as a backup. I would get it as a main car, but I would definitely get it as like a second car. And I would get black. Black's literally the best color you can get, I would say. Not gonna lie, he's speeding up. I wanna race him, but I know he not. I don't know if that's a cop or not. Y'all, there's so many different, what is that? A little scat, or whatever it is. Scat SRT. I'm not gonna lie, I have my GoPro. I could have put it on, I forgot. But we're gonna catch up to the Jeep. Y'all ready? Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah, I love how this downshifts for you. Like, when you're in like the race shit, you just tap the gas, watch. And then downshift for you. Ooh. I doubt he's gonna do that. He got his girl in the car too. He might be a little embarrassed. But I ain't gonna lie, it's a Jeep. It's heavy as hell, and it's only a scat, basically. I don't think that's a cop. Nah, we Gucci. I ain't gonna lie though, when I get a little bit more open road, I'm gonna do a flyby past it. I ain't gonna lie, what would be crazy is if it was an undercover cop, but it's not, so. Back to the SRT Jeep, I would definitely get it if I like lived in the snow. Cause it's like, okay, you could go get a truck, you could go get all this other stuff. Me personally, if you drive a truck and you don't use it as like a truck, like it's always clean as hell. I mean, it's up to you though. I mean, you know, some people like trucks, but me, I would never get a truck that I only drove, you know. I would get something like this, if anything, because it's like I would have a trunk, a closed trunk, and then the truck, it's like it takes away from the back seat. See what I'm saying? So when it takes away from the back seat, there's no point in having the bed if you don't use the bed. Oh man, I hate when this happens. It always be one person in these lanes going slow. Like right now, it's a minivan. And they always messing something up. Especially when, one of them cars stink. Or a truck, whatever. Alright, now it's your turn to get over. See? Y'all see this? You gotta get over, bro. I'm trying to catch up. Alright. Yeah. Dang, that Jeep is gone. He all the way up there. I want to catch up, but bro, I don't know if no cops is around this, you know? But we gonna catch up. Coast looks clear. Oh my goodness. Get out the way. Y'all, fun fact, I used to want one of these. The Scions. Like before I was really into cars and stuff, and like I just wanted a cool looking, fast looking car. I wanted one of those actually. Like it was never like I'm gonna buy this type one. It was like I would get that car. Like I went through so many cars, or not through so many cars, but like I went through wanting so many cars. Like I wanted, I even wanted a V6 Camaro at the time because I just wanted a Camaro. And that's what I knew I wanted, so I was like, alright, I'm gonna get whatever Camaro, it don't matter to me, I just want a Camaro. But if I would've did that, not gonna lie, I would've hated that, because I would've probably still been in that car. And I don't, and I would've hated it. Like this car, bro, you hear the sound? Like, that's a great sound. And then in a V6, I'd have been like, I don't even know how to make the noise. I would have been that loud, obnoxious stuff. It wouldn't even sounded good. But I wish I could get a race with him, bro. I've never raced one for real. I might, you know, that might be a video I'm gonna bring to the channel. No cap. Let me tell y'all though, y'all gotta be careful with these bridges. One time I was driving and I seen a cop sitting on the bridge and he was pointing the radar down. But But you also gotta be careful with these. I've never seen a cop sitting right there, but I've seen pictures and stuff. Like, they really be going out their way to like fully hide and try to stop people. Which I understand. I mean, I understand to an extent. Cause like, they doing their jobs, but it's like, bro, you ain't gotta hide that much. Another little mirror right here. I do not think it's a V8 at all. It just looked like a V6 from back there. Not gonna count. I don't even know if it looked like a V6. It kind of looked like the turbo, the 4-cylinder. Yeah, that's what it looked like. It ain't got no spoiler. Yeah. Made it. Better not try to get behind me and keep up neither. Cause you ain't gonna do it, ho. Y'all let me know if y'all want another like a car shopping video where I go to a dealership. Cause I want to do that because it's actually cool. But like, I'm not gonna like clickbait and stuff. I'm just gonna keep it like, I don't really like clickbait, you know what I'm saying? Because it's like, I mean clickbaiting to an extent. Everybody does that. But when you clickbait fully lie, like I've done videos where I say I got a Hellcat, but you know, you put that question mark. I'm giving y'all some games. They put a question mark at the end of it. Most of the times, it's not real. Or it's for clickbait. Just gonna tell y'all that now. But, y'all, we are going over a bridge, as you can see. Emergency parking only. You can just park on the side of the highway? What the hell? Oh, they're talking about because people probably fish off that. Yeah, nah, it makes sense. Should I do the little, I'm gonna do the pull right here. Yeah, keep on, little nigga. You can't keep up with me, little nigga. Alright, well, I ain't gonna lie. It look like we not getting no race today. But, that was, uh-oh, wait, is he coming back? Oh, no, I'm just slowing down. My big dopey ass. Alright, y'all, well, that's gonna be the end of this video. I might pick up the camera again if he try to do something, you know what I'm saying? But that's gonna be the end of this. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one. I'm out.